Laser hardening is a key step in the manufacture of our press jaws. The laser hardening process, invented and patented by Rothenberger, makes our press jaws unique. The most important pressure points on each jaw lever of a Rothenberger press jaw are additionally hardened with a powerful 4,000-watt laser. The remaining jaw lever remains ductile, acts as a load buffer, and protects the press jaws from damage even when the pressing force is uneven. This is a unique selling point in the industry. Thanks to laser hardening, Rothenberger press jaws have a 100% longer service life than comparable press jaws and offer better and longer profile accuracy. Laser hardening is an important step in ensuring quality and a long service life, enabling installers around the world to achieve even better results. The patented Rothenberger laser hardening technology, Dura Laser Tech,